What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video let's talk about how to categorize expenses properly in Wave. All right, it's gonna be a quick one, so let's just get straight into it. The first thing we're going to do, of course, is to log into our Wave accounts. You can do that at waveapps.com and log in with your credentials. But once you're logged in, you want to go to accounting, and under accounting you find transactions and click on that. And then you're going to select a transaction to categorize. So just choose a relevant category from the drop down list. You could have categories like rent, advertising, office supplies, transportation, whatever. Just go ahead and choose a category, and then you're going to add a description or a note for clarity's sake. Now, if needed, split the transaction into multiple categories. That's if needed, but if not, just go straight to the next one. And from here, you can just review categories regularly to ensure consistency with transactions. Proper categorization helps with tax preparations and reporting. Next, we're going to explore how to create and manage customer profiles in Waves. So stay tuned for that. But this is pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you in the next one.